Datuk Seri Abdul Ghani Daud, CEO of MyCEB, Matthias Bosch, Chair IAPCO Training Academy, Jen Tonkins, Vice Chair IAPCO Training Academy, Alan Pryor, GM of Kuala Lumpur Convention Centre, faculty speakers, attendees, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, on behalf of MyCEB, I would like to record our appreciation to IAPCO for staging the IAPCO EDGE Malaysia Seminar. As the seminar is conducted virtually, it is important to note that learning is indeed an important lifelong process, no matter what the circumstances are. I can't imagine what life will be like without learning, especially during this pandemic. The whole world has been talking about upskilling and reskilling. Upskilling is the process of taking your skills and knowledge in a certain area to a new level, while reskilling involves learning new skills so you can do a different job or do the same job in a different way or better. I firmly believe this IAPCO training has achieved just that. We are very fortunate to be able to learn from the best thought leaders that the global meeting industry could offer despite busy schedule. So please join me for a virtual round of applause to the faculty speakers. Matthias, Jan, Nicole and Marcel, thank you for sharing your expertise with the attendees, and I'm sure they are looking forward to applying what they have learned into their daily tasks and routine. I also would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to Alan and Kuala Lumpur Convention Centre for being a great partner who shares the same vision in improving our service standards in the PCO business through such training programs. Last but not least, we would also like to thank all attendees for your time and commitment, and we hope you have acquired new knowledge and valuable tips from our faculty expert. For attending, you will receive a certificate which is a stamp of quality education by IAPCO, which I'm sure that you must be proud to receive. It is our fervent hope that from this training, we will have more capable professionals in conference organizing, which will not only elevate the standards of service in Malaysia, but also hopefully having more homegrown PCOs to be established in the future. Rest assured, MyCEB will continue to give priority in the development of industry and look forward to future collaborations with IAPCO. With that, terima kasih.